Finding the courage to change. Great expectations. I expect other people to love me, appreciate me, uplift me, and gift me. I have great expectations of them. But I'm not the center of their universe, and my eventual disappointment is inevitable. I have been looking outside of myself for something that is missing, but all those others are missing it too. How can they give to me something they do not know and do not have to give? I have great expectations indeed. I have come to believe that unconditional love is the missing inner element. I never knew it. I had never seen it demonstrated. When I saw it in action for the first time, it was amazing. But waiting around for another person to come give me more of that unconditional love is going to be a long wait. Most of us haven't known it. I must learn to give unconditional love to myself. I will learn to forgive my mistakes as natural and inevitable. I will make amends for those mistakes when I need to. I will become my own loving parent. I will become the loving child that I desire in my life. I will be the friend who calls. I will be the loving and supportive spouse. I will be the faithful employee and the easy boss. When I realize that I am disappointed in the behavior of another, I will remember to give that unconditional love to myself. I have the power to do this. I expect with some practice, I'll get better at it.